Final answer. We have x equals to square root of 2, square root of 4, square root of 6, square root of 8. This is why I hate adult education. How did this cheap person enter this class for the first time? He said, I went to school. Also, in a guys with the 2 cross main road. 2 knock at a shares press, but there back cross main road. No, I got Monte. Continue. Then upon my man, discount 12.5% over 12 of 5,400. This place is self-explanatory. We have a co people know a co cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel here, cancel here. You bring it back here.
Oh my God! Wow!
Minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. You bring the first 100 we left at the initial stage. You add the 100. Bring the second 100 we left at the second stage. You know, we've wiped this board like 2 times.
Oh my God!
I give I bet the combo. You did 1 year back. You bring the 8 we left at the third stage. You wipe it a board and keep up. You sum everything and divide by 10. If you divide by 10, you add up the sum of everything. Then from here you take it up. You take it down. Like this. You take it up again. Then add 0, add 0, add 0, add 0. From there, bam. You want your final answer. You see the water there. The monopoly will must Super the water there now. You water gear? Give away water for you. Our time, yeah. If you water, that's of line number 2 because I ain't gagana and wouldn't change of any name. Give up more body can now come and sub number 2 and don't waste my time.
Hi. Oh, charge of 1.